and a very good morning, folks. I hope you're well, and welcome to another daily vlog. My name is, of course, Aaron, and guess what? Welcome to Tuesday, I believe, 6th of April, 2021. Yes, if you live anywhere else, good morning or good evening, shall I say. So yeah, how are you all? Hope you're doing alright. And yeah, before I carry on, if you like my content, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Tell me why in the comment section. Make sure you press the big red subscribe button, and guess what? Turn on the notification bell, and it will notify you when I've uploaded at 8 PM every day. Anyway, guys, last night was amazing at Callum's. It was amazing. We had curry and stuff like that. I had a laugh and things. You know what? Also, yesterday's vlog is going up tonight from 8 PM. And guess Notts County won 4-2 against Woking, so I'm glad about that. Let's hope we can do the same on Saturday. Okay, Google, who is Notts County playing on Saturday? Oh yeah, Hartlepool, forgot. Yes, we got Hartlepool on Saturday, so that's going to be amazing. Let's hope we can get those 3 points we had yesterday. But it is what it is. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we do. You can't do anything about it. Anyway, we're going out later again. So yes, I'm going to have my breakfast, cup of tea, and I shall talk to you when we go out. Bye for now. Here, safe and sound, guys. Bloody hell. I'm glad I didn't vlog on the way here because snowstorm, bloody hell, it's like a blizzard outside, but now it's sun shining. Don't know if you can see, but it's sun shining, guys. But yeah, hope it's well with you and stuff like that. And yeah, you know what? I love you guys, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. My name has been Aaron. You guys have been awesome. I know. Thank you for supporting me, folks, and I love you all. Peace and adios.